you will be very happy to hear that both Pixel 7 and 7 Pro will be coming with a big camera upgrade in terms of features. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, you know that the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro will be launching in the month of October, and October 6th is going to be the date when you finally see these devices. And we already know most of the detail about the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro thanks to some leakers and also from Google, because they have confirmed some of those features as well. Now today we have got another spec sheet leak coming from a Twitter leaker Yogesh Bra, and along with that there is another video leak coming for the upcoming Pixel 7, 7 Pro and the Google Watch, which confirms those specifications in the video as well. Basically, the most noticeable feature that are coming for the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro will be in the cameras, in which we have now our new 48 megapixel telephoto lens, which is going to support 5x of optical zoom instead of the 4x that we have seen in the Pixel 6 Pro. The other major improvement in the feature will be a 30x of a zoom capability, which is going to be insane as compared to its predecessor, whereas the Pixel 7 will be coming with an 8x of digital zoom capability. Now the other major improvement will be in the video department, because the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro will be coming with this new movie motion blur, which is going to be bringing the blur effect in the video. Now we already see that Pixel 6 has something called motion mode, which is one of the software enabled feature that makes it a great camera phone by adding blur to the moving object in still photography. Now this is going to be for the videos, so we hope that it's going to be as good as the photos, because Pixel devices does not provide good video quality. And the other big upgrade will be the 11 megapixel of a front facing camera, which is going to be improved in both the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro. And just because of that 11 megapixel snapper, Google is going to be bringing the face unlock feature for the first time in the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro from last 2 years. Last time we have seen that particular feature is on Pixel 4 and the 4 XL. And the Pixel 7 Duo will be powered by Tensor Gen 2, which will be based on modern manufacturing tech that should make it more power efficient, and this may encourage Google to enable a feature on new phones. Now as far as the pre-order, there is going to be a big benefit for all those UK buyers, because Google is going to be giving you free Google Pixel Watch in the UK if you pre-order the Pixel 7 Pro, whereas the Pixel 7 will give you the Galaxy Buds, which is going to be nice choice to have. You guys, for the pricing, it's going to be remaining the same as $599 for the base model Pixel 7 and $899 for the Pixel 7 Pro. So honestly, this is going to be the same pricing as the last year, which is a good sign to have. And you guys, yet the specifications are going to be exactly same as the last year, so definitely no big changes are going to be coming. Instead, no big changes are going to be coming. And you guys, if you're interested to see what Samsung S23 Ultra will be bringing, here is a video you can check out as well. Thanks for watching. Peace.